Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Messenger account using the latest version via Meta. It's super easy, so let's get into it. First, open up the Messenger app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines. You'll find them in the top left corner of your screen. Now, look for the gear icon, but don't worry, you'll find them at the top, just right next to your name, and tap on it. Now from here, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see the Meta Accounts Center. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your Meta settings. Once you're in the Meta Account Center, find Password and Security and tap on it. Now from here, you'll need to look to where you're logged in and tap on it. Now, just a heads up, since Messenger and Facebook share the same account, logging out of Messenger will log you out of Facebook at the same time. So you just need to find the device that you want to log out your account from. So in my case here, and click on Log Out. A confirmation message will pop up. You just need to click Log Out again to confirm. Okay, now, there you have it. You've successfully logged out your Messenger account. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.